7Q3 pre-assessment. Ignite, what is women's suffrage? The women's suffrage movement was a fight to win the right to vote for women in the United States. It took activists and reformers nearly 100 years to win that right. On August 18th, 1920, the 19th Amendment to the Constitution was finally ratified, declaring for the first time that women, like men, deserve all the rights and responsibilities of citizenship. Think to self, are you surprised it took nearly 100 years for women to earn the right to vote? Why do you think it took so long? Chunk. During live synchronous class, I will play a read aloud from the historical fiction story Mama Went to Jail for the Vote. If you complete this assessment asynchronously, please listen to the read aloud of the historical fiction story Mama Went to Jail for the Vote by Kathleen Carr. Click on the blue link, pre-assessment read aloud. Take your pre-assessment. 210.7Q3 pre-assessment is linked below. A copy will be made for you. Review, rubric, checklist. Students will receive a full 4 out of 4 participation points for completing their reading pre-assessment. Checklist, double check like a pilot so you get the points. I answered questions in all 4 boxes. I answered both questions in each box. I supported my answers with evidence from the text. Thank you, dear writers. Dr. Stocker. Copy of 7Q3 pre-assessment.